What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Stasia, and I'm back again with another one. Now, today's video will be, I guess you could say a get ready with me. Y'all, I am loving this look, okay? Like, this was a masterpiece. Well, first it was a disaster turned into a masterpiece, okay? But I ain't gonna get into all that right now. But anyway, yes, so before we get started, I will let you guys know that this wig right here, this unit that I'm wearing, is another wig from Heraremy.com. And this wig is in the name Liana or Liana, something like that. Or Leanne, I don't know. Liana. Yeah. I don't even have the thing with me, the invoice. But anyway, yes, I paid $29.99 for this wig. Yeah, I ordered this with, I believe, I can't remember. But anyway, yes, the wig was $29.99. Like I said, it's from Heraremy.com. It's in #1, and the name is Liana or Leanne, whatever. But anyway, the link to this wig, I will be leaving it down in the description box below. But anyway, y'all, yeah, so let's get into this look, honey. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I just want to put it out there that this will not be like a talk through, anything like that, because I think that it's pretty much self-explanatory. But I am trying out some new products in this video. I've been using the Juvia's Place foundation. I fell in love with it. So right here, I'm just trying some of the concealers as well as their setting powder. But anyway, besides that, please excuse my smoke detector because... whew, Lord knows it's getting on my last nerves. But anyway, yeah, and I do want to apologize in advance for my lighting because y'all, in this video, my lighting was horrible. I mean, it was bearable, but to me it was horrible. But it is what it is. Malfunctions happen. We just got to move on, whatever. So yeah, again, I just thank y'all so much for returning back to my channel and watching this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. But please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thank y'all. right, y'all, so this look is finally complete. Again, I apologize for my lighting. Like, as you can see, my lighting right now is bomb.com. I have my blinds and stuff. I actually record right next to my window, so I have the blinds and stuff open, and it's like when the sunlight fluctuates and all that, kind of throws off. So I apologize for that, but anyway, we back. We look good now. So yeah, but anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel and watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below in the comment section if you have any questions, suggestions, whatever. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please turn on that notification bell so that way you will be notified anytime I drop another video, because I know y'all be on the lookout for that, and I appreciate that. But yeah, so I thank you guys so very much, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.